Welcome to Corporal's Corner. Today we're making Nordic Stone Age bread, so stick around. A few weeks ago I came across this recipe for Nordic Stone Age bread. I went and looked at the ingredients, and it basically consisted of almonds, walnuts, pecans, pine nuts, flaxseed, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, along with olive oil and some eggs. When I saw that, I said, whoa, this is basically the good for you fats, antioxidants, nutrients, fiber, protein, and best of all, just like hardtack bread, you can make it in advance and then take it with you when you go out to the field. So I was on board. So today, what I want to do is go ahead and create our own version of Nordic Stone Age bread. Let's begin. With a mixing bowl of your choice, take your 2 cups of raw mixed nuts. Just dump it in there. I chose almonds, walnuts, pecans, and pine nuts. Next, go ahead and grab 1 cup of flax seeds. And then go ahead and mix in 3 cups of raw seeds. I chose sunflower seeds and pumpkin seeds. Next, we're going to add 1.5 teaspoons of Mediterranean sea salt, followed by a 1/3 cup of olive oil, and last but not least, 5 eggs. Now keep in mind, this is not an exact science, okay? But if you notice, the measurements that I used fit this bread pan perfectly. Just make sure that you put down parchment paper first to keep it from sticking to the sides. Go ahead and set your oven to 325. Once we're done preheating, toss your bread inside there, wait 1 hour, let it cool, and you're good to go. Not bad. Welcome back. This is outstanding. Now keep in mind, there's probably 100 different ways to do this, and each of these ingredients can be tweaked to your liking. Thank you for your comments, views, support. Thanks for watching. Get out in the field/kitchen and have some fun. I'm going to catch you next time.